So this is the diverter in action. You can see huge flow of water coming from the parking lot. About 2/3 of it is going down the trench, and about 1/3 is going through the original drain. And of course, the idea here is that we're going to get still a pretty huge flow coming into the rain garden, but not enough to overwhelm it and to run over, hopefully, into the street, into Georgia Avenue. Okay, so we have to know what's going on during heavy rain events at our rain garden. And all we can see is that the rain garden drain overflows all the way across, and I've took steps to make it more open here, and also in some places to reinforce it, but it's a huge overflow problem. This is when you have the torrent. This is the thing that we planned for, and so so all I can say is it just looks like the overflow paths don't anticipate the amount of water that we actually get. And so yes, nothing points that out more clearly than the flow path here. Just really a lot, and it stops up itself with mulch, but I cleaned it out at the beginning of the rainstorm, and this is probably the worst rainstorm we've had. So you can see, though, the rain garden itself is completely filled up. I've actually built up this section before, and that helped for a while, but it overflows and then it's removing material. So I have some stones there to help with the overflow there. So it looks like we're going to need more stones all the way around. So yes, this is something probably we didn't anticipate. We can see the water coming all the way around the lower rain garden, going into the lawn here, and the lawn part itself is actually really serving its function. The water flows down the middle around the sign, and to show that. But then here at the garden, the overflow path here is still good, all on the grass here, but it's going down. But the problem is it's overflowing here where we don't want it to, and that's where there's no gravel to protect it. I guess fortunately I've left in some weeds there to cover that, but we have various overflow spots where we apparently would need more gravel. So you can see the overflows coming right through the vegetation. And then we have the same situation here for this garden, which, so clearly what we're looking at here is possible need for a bigger flow path, wider, so that more water can be handled, and maybe a little bit taller part here. So of course the gardens are full. Obviously there's going to be some idea that we're going to have some maintenance, but yeah, what we got here though is just a really crazy amount of water coming down. The rain has only been going for about 20 or 30 minutes, but it's raining hard. But you can see, after a full day of this, I mean, this is going to be a big problem. So, and not only that, I did redesign, at least for temporary, the diverter so that you get more to go down in the regular drain. So I'm going to show that too. So now this is just a little bit more of the flow now. More like about 60% is going into the big drain, and I'll stop it to make it go a little better. But and then more like 40% is going to the rain garden. And so these rain gardens, it's a pretty good little stream, and it's constant, and it's enough to overflow the regular drains at the end of each rain garden. So yes, I'm going to get in there and take out some more material and see if that makes any improvement there. So, okay, now I've just cleaned out the drain. Hopefully most of the floating debris has already came, but maybe we might get more tonight that would fill the drain up. But it's taking now, let's say, probably 65% more. And the other drain is taking about 30%. And that goes to the rain garden. So, and the rain garden is under stress. It's coming over the wall. And so we have to figure out how to do this better. It's more water than maybe we anticipated. But yeah, it's amazing and crazy at the same time. Okay, so here we have a huge clog in the bottom of this one. There's a drain at the bottom, but there's not going. All the 5 rain gardens are full. And there's a huge flow coming off of this end of our property going into the street. In Georgia Avenue, the water is about 7 or 8 inches deep. And yeah, it's a big problem. You see way over there, there's Georgia Avenue. And a huge flow coming from here, coming off of our property, going directly into Georgia Avenue. People are just driving their cars through the water. So I got the drain open in just a few minutes. You know, it had leaf and mulch material inside, and that caused all the trouble. But yes. And it stopped raining a little bit, so it slowed down, which made all the difference. And now we're flowing great again.